Hello po, Taurus. Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April of 2025 reading. So this is our monthly reading for the entire month of April. Marami po tayong pag-uusapan katulad ng finances or wealth, career or job, no? Relationships, of course. Most of numbers of you na nandito po is sa relationship, no? So, different stages dun po sa mga singles na naghahanap. Ayan, sa mga may crush, sa mga no labels or situationship. Doon din po sa mga in a relationship na or magjowa, sa mga married couples, and a third party situation. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces lang po. Take what's only yours, no? Huwag po natin kalimutan na mag-subscribe para po sa mga bago. Like, share, comment, and kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions sa kabilang channel po yun, which is Babaylan TV, no? Magsimula na tayo. So, ang pinaka-core ng energy natin dito is probably letting go of the energy. Trying to release, no? Or probably setting aside for now, no? Meron tayong siguro mas gagawin nating focus ang ating sarili or it could be ibang bagay, no? Something in here na parang sinasabi natin na um, ang tagal kong nag-aantay, no? Wala naman. Hindi, things are not coming to fruition. I feel like with the Eight of Cups in here, turning my back into it, no? Kahit wish fulfillment ko pa yan, no? Kasi para bang yung feeling ko dito is it's not meant for me at this moment, no? Kasi you have been trying to what? You have been trying to pull it down dito sa 3D, pero the more effort na parang feeling mong ginagawa mo, the more na medyo mas papalayo, no? Mas lumalayo itong um, energy na ito. So when it comes to finances, chances are with the Page of Cups and the Ten of Swords, suddenly you probably found out na naku, mukhang marami pa akong kakainin bigas. Mukhang matatagalan, no? Sayang yung time. Sayang yung energy na ginugugol ko dito. Probably there's also a realization na sinabi mo, madami pa akong pwedeng gawin kesa mag-antay, no? Um, there should be an energy here na parang sinasabi mo rin sa sarili mo na kung magfo-focus ako sa ibang bagay, malamang, no, mas meron akong mahihita, meron akong makukuha. So sa finances, let's say or wealth, no, either meron tayong inaantay ng malaking pera, mana, yaman. Of course, gusto natin makuha with the Nine of Cups. Pero sa kakaantay natin, sinasabi mo, nauubos yung either savings ko, nauubusan ako ng time, nauubos yung sabihin natin opportunities kasi may mga dumadating, I'm setting things aside for this specific opportunity and things are not happening. Probably it's time for me to reroute my focus. Ayan. When it comes to career, eto yata, sabihin natin, meron tayong graduate tayo ng ibang ng specific course na gusto natin, no? Chances are medyo mailap itong bagay na ito for sa atin for now. Kaya we probably take a reroute, no, doon sa ating sinasabing course. Chances are papasok tayo sa isang trabaho na hindi talaga related, no, for the sake of kasi life is a matter of survival, no? Kailangan kong kumita. Hindi naman humihinto ang pag-ikot ng mundo, no? Kapag sinabi ko bang wala pa akong trabaho ngayon eh. wala pa akong makuha, hindi naman titigil ang mundo. Nandiyan ang mga bayarin. And monthly, dumadating siya. So, para bang sabihin natin, feeling natin wala tayong choice kung hindi kumagat, no? Sa isang sitwasyon na kahit hindi ko masyadong gusto, no? For the sake of my survival, kakagatin ko. Um, when it comes to sabihin nating job, I feel like meron tayong inaantay, no? Either mapunta tayo doon sa isang department, position, um, company, pero parang mailap sa atin. So, parang gagawin natin, either what if kung mag-apply ako dun sa kalaban, no, na company, or what if mag-apply ako sa iba, no, na um, totally not related doon din sa company na yon, or it could also be sa sister company, no. um One thing's for sure, hindi tayo makapasok, no, kaya we are rerouting our focus. When it comes to relationship, singles, ang nakikita natin dito sa mga singles, siguro nag-aantay tayo, meron tayong checklist, no. uh let's say, part of our checklist are tall, dark, handsome, yan, yung mga ganon, no? Pero parang nahihirapan tayo. So we're trying to, hindi naman yung sinasabi natin kahit sino na lang. We still have our standards, pero mas sinasabi natin, siguro mas okay din, no? Kung baka hindi ito ang right person for me, no? Baka there's something na much, um, sabihin nating meant, no, or deserving para sa akin. No, I will let go of probably my standards and let the destiny made a decision, no, for me. Sa mga may crushes, parang ayaw nyo na. Kasi parang feeling nyo, pinapaasa lang. And even sa no labels, no, parang ganito, pinapaasa lang ako sa mga situationship. Um, Nandito ako sa isang relationship or situationship or energy or dynamic na hindi ko alam kung saan papunta. So, I have no security. I have no means of directing, no? The past, kung saan ito. Para lang akong nakalutang sa ere. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari, no? And I don't see hope. Masaya ako, don't get me wrong, 'di ba? Masaya ako sa nangyayari, masaya ako, pero I need some security on this. Kasi parang any moment pwede itong mawala. So, when it comes to relationship, no, nandun na kayo sa magjowa na kayo, I think medyo bumababa ang kumpiyansa natin dito sa ating person. Um, Probably, no? This person said something, promised something, we had high hopes. Um, Chances are parang hindi natin nakikita, no? Kung ano man yung pinangako, sinabi, almost similar doon sa mga married, no? Sa married, parang meron din dito mga promises na, you know, tutulungan kita, no? Or we're gonna work on this together, or I'll gonna be faithful. But then again, as if nandito lang ako sa isang relationship na parang hindi siya umuusad. Yes, we may be in a situation na, oo, magkarelasyon na tayo, pero what's next? I am questioning the future, no? For a third party situation, siguro medyo matagal-tagal na tong sitwasyon na to. And parang nakahang lang tayo, no? Almost as if same fear doon sa mga no labels and crushes na hanggang kailan, no? Of course, I don't want this to end. Pero kung wala akong security at wala akong pinanghahawakan, para akong sumusugal, no? Yes, I may be winning now, pero paano kapag dumating yung time na um, anong habol ko, no? So you're probably looking on that scenario. You might also be thinking of either thinking a lot for the future. So hindi to nakita. Hold up. Kailangan ko bang iurong? Urong lang natin to for a little while. Uh, the Wheel of Fortune, the King of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Justice, and the High Priestess. I feel like meron ditong kailangan kang gawin, which is yun nga yung um, move. No, you may be having a bold move right now, or the universe is trying to tell you, no, na sige, gawin mo. I'm giving you downloads, the how-tos, no, the mechanics, but the execution should be with you, for you, no, and in your will, no. Ito lang yung instructions or ito lang yung mga hints or signs, pero bahala ka, no, kumilos. You're still given the free will. So with the Wheel of Fortune, King of Pentacles, napakaganda kasi it seems like the Wheel of Fortune, this is the whirlpool of fortune, no? So ibig sabihin, almost landing on your lap, you're going to receive it. It feels like losing, yes, pero I feel like sa mga movies, di ba? Hindi naman kasi maganda sa movies yung nagsimula, succeeding agad, and end. So, meron siyang escalations, no? Nandun yung peak, nandun yung climax, no? I feel like papunta na tayo doon sa climax. Ganun talaga, 'di ba? Kapag ang um, sa pelikula, no, ang bida ay na bubugbog muna, na naaapi muna, naghihirap muna, and then success comes later. When it comes to finances or wealth, napakagandang indication with the Wheel of Fortune in here. So parang nakikita ko, you will have the chance of hawakan, no? In this 3D, masalat, mahawakan, ma-feel, ma-experience itong wealth na inaantay mo. With the Five of Swords, wag lang tayong susuko kasi nandito na tayo sa part na ang binibilang natin kasi is the challenges. Pero um, yeah, we probably look at it, um, acknowledge that there may be some challenges, but then what we need to look forward to is either the solution or anong gagawin ko kapag nasa akin na. No? Kasi nakikita ko naman the Justice card is here, which means um, ibibigay sa'yo. No? Ang napakaganda nito, yung Justice card and the wish fulfillment, almost in a yung parang nagpo-progress, no? And the High Priestess, but it requires some balancing on your part. Um, there should be a decision. Are we going to really look or focus onto the darker side? Kasi there's two pillars in here, no, the positive and the negative. So are we going to focus on the darker or see the silver linings? Bakit natin pinagdadaanan ito, no? When it comes to the career, I feel like this will be a stepping stone, which is I feel like nasa nudge ka, no, or the universe is giving you some hints of tama yung slide na ginagawa mo dahil marami pang bagay na pwedeng mangyari. Ibibigay din naman sa iyo, and I think that this is the time for you to do some productive things, no? Um, these learnings might be something, no, nakakailanganin mo din kapag nahawakan mo na itong um, inaantay nating career or position, no? When it comes to relationship, singles, I think na bitawan muna natin itong ating uh, almost perfect ideal, no, or checklist person, dahil what I am seeing in here is nandito na ibinigay na sa'yo. Yes, there is destiny. However, this might come up like unrequited, no? Na there might be something, some flaws. Well, if we're going to look at ourselves din naman, no? We can probably see we're not perfect, no? But then again, probably ang gagawin natin dito is how to be perfect for that person, not to look for the perfect person. Because, or see the person, even their flaws, no, for who they are, and embracing the flaws in all, no? And that is perfect enough for you to have some relationship, including the crushes and no labels. Sa no labels kasi, ang nangyayari dito, chances are, sige, sabihin natin meron tayong um, napapala. No labels and third party almost the same. No, binibigyan tayo ng energy. Binibigyan tayo ng energy or abundance. No, abundance may mean different things to every people. Whether this is attention, effort. Yes, may napapala tayo doon. Pero what I am seeing in here is we should also do something, no, for us to get the justice. And this is probably a risk, no, for them to for you to lay down the cards and give them some choices, no, because you're not going to stay here for so long, especially dun sa unsecured relationship, no. Sa in a relationship naman, what I am seeing, you're gonna surpass the challenges, and married people, the justice is in here. But then again, meron lang konting tulong coming from you. Whether tulong, adjustments, efforts, um, it requires a bit of, um, sabihin natin, energy emitting, no? Giving, offers, na meron ka rin dapat gawin, no? Ito yung nakikita natin. So, gusto ko lang pong ipaalala na dun po sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV, dun po tayo nagla-live, no? Pwede kayong sumali, and you're very much welcome to do so. Pwede kayong magtanong live. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no sa comment section. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang, dumiretso po kayo dun sa ating website. There is a link dito po sa description box ng video na ito. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no, for your reference. And I also created a 4 questions plus 1. So that is a discounted price na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Sumali po kayo doon sa ating raffle up until March the 31st. So, i-announce ko yan by April the 1st, no? So, for sure, most of you nakikita itong reading na ito or napanood itong reading na ito before the April, no? Pwede pa kayong humabol. So, let's go back to the reading. We were always meant to meet. It was written in the stars. So why bother, no? Why bother to be fearful na hindi natin makukuha, hindi natin ma-achieve? It felt like, tulad ng sinabi ko, it is really destined for you to have this energy, tiyaga, pasensya, no? And plan ahead. Siguro yun yung sinasabi. Let's get some message from the universe. Whenever you talk to us, your spirit guides, higher self, guardian angel, the universe, God, whatever God, no? Yung itong inyong sinasamba. We're not talking about religion. It never goes unheard. So we hear every single word. This is your confirmation that we are assisting you. This is also a confirmation that you are not alone at hindi tayo pinapabayaan. No, Taurus, your wishes finally come to fruition. So, ibig sabihin, be patient, nandiyan na siya, inaantay na lang natin yung delivery date, no? Kumbaga sa parcel, inaantay na lang natin na nasa ano na siya, nasa himpapawid na, no? Or on the way na. Ayan. On the way na itong ating abundance. Everything will come together for you. So we may have some challenges right now, but then again, no, this is a promise na things will get better, things will come to fruition. What's yours is yours. So, for those who are in a relationship, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Scorpio, Libra, Pisces, Sagittarius, baka kapwa Taurus ito, no? Um, Cancer, yan. Leo, and this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.